Hey everyone! If you're looking to boost your income without working around the clock, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you about the top 3 passive income ideas for 2024 that can help you build wealth while you are going about living your best life. Once you've put in the work to set up these income streams that I'm about to share, the money you make becomes passive, meaning you can earn while focusing on other things you love. Here we go. Number 1. Print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand allows you to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without the need for inventory or upfront costs. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, Spreadshirt, Printify, Custom Cat and Gelato handle the printing, shipping, and customer service on your behalf. By designing unique t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or other merchandise and listing them for sale online, you can earn passive income through profits on each sale. You set the price, so you also set your profit. Some online platforms to sell your print-on-demand products are Etsy, Amazon Merch, Society6, Zazzle, CafePress, and Redbubble. Number 2. License your photos, videos, and illustrations. If you have a knack for photography, videography, or illustration, consider licensing your work through stock platforms. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, Creative Fabrica, Getty Images, and SmugMug Pro allow you to upload your content and earn royalties each time it's downloaded by customers. Whether it's stunning landscapes, lifestyle shots, everyday footage, or unique illustrations, there's a demand for high-quality visual content across various industries. To ensure your work stands out, you'll need a good camera and proper lighting to produce professional quality images and videos. Number 3. Ebooks and online courses. Creating and selling ebooks or online courses is a powerful way to generate passive income. To get started with ebooks, first choose a niche or topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Research the market to find out what topics are in demand. Then plan and outline your ebook by breaking down the topic into chapters and sections. Set a writing schedule and focus on creating valuable, well-organized content. Once the draft is complete, edit and proofread it, and consider hiring a professional editor. Design a professional cover using services like Fiverr or tools like Canva, and ensure your ebook meets the formatting requirements of platforms like Amazon Kindle. Publish your ebook on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, or Apple Books. Set a competitive price, and promote it through social media, your website, email lists, and book promotion services. For online courses, begin by selecting a topic you are skilled at and passionate about teaching, and research demand using tools like Udemy's Marketplace Insights. Plan your course content by creating an outline and developing detailed scripts or bullet points for each lesson. Produce high-quality course materials by recording videos with a good quality camera and microphone. Creating slides and PDFs using tools like PowerPoint or Canva, and editing your videos with software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Camtasia. Choose a platform such as Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to host your course. Upload your content, set a competitive price, and create a compelling course page. Finally, market your course through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers to reach a wider audience. By following these steps, you can successfully create and sell ebooks and online courses, turning your knowledge and expertise into a sustainable passive income stream. I hope you found these passive income ideas as exciting and helpful. Remember, even though you still have to put in some work up front, once it's done and you've created something valuable that people will pay for, your job is essentially finished. Unless you want to keep it updated with additional products. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to become a magnet for money. Thanks for watching.